Hi friends, welcome back. So we have some questions on the board here to solve, and these are indices questions, of course. Remember in our previous videos, we have stated all the rules needed to handle such questions, and without wasting much time, we will solve and see the solutions to it. Okay, so the first question here says simplify into open bracket 2 raised to power open bracket 2a raised to power 2 b raised to power minus 3 close bracket all raised to the power of 3 times a raised to power of negative 4 b raised to power 2. So we want to simplify. Simplify means bringing this into a very simple way. So let's start. Solution. All right. First of all, since there's a bracket here, well, we need to clear this bracket. And how do we clear this bracket now? Remember one of the rule, which is the power of power rule. The power of power rule states that a raised to power m all into brackets n is the same thing as a raised to power m times n. So it means that this power outside here multiplies all the power. It's the power multiplying power. So we are going to put it in this scenario. So here now, what it simply means that this 2, remember, has a power of 1. Every numbers or alphabet has the power. Anyone that the power is not written on top of it means that there is a 1 in front. So it's going to simply be 2 raised to power, what's 1 times 3? 3 times a raised to power 2 times 3 times b raised to power minus 3 times 3. All right. And then we have our times a raised to power minus 4 b raised to power 2. So what do we do next in this scenario? We have been able to do this. Let's simplify further. So what's 2 raised to power 3? This is 8 times 2 times 3 is 6. So this will be a raised to power 6 times, we have b, minus 3 times 3. Remember, minus times plus 8, minus. So this will be minus 9 times a raised to power minus 4, b raised to power 2. All right, we can simplify further by rearranging. So we have 8 times, we have a raised to power 6 times a raised to power minus 4. And we have times b raised to power minus 9 times b raised to power 2. So which law can we use here very fast? We can use the multiplication law. And the multiplication law, remember, states that when the base are the same, you sum up the number. That's for multiplication. When the base are the same, you sum up the number. A raised to power m times a raised to power n is the same thing as a raised to power m plus n. So in this scenario, we will have to put that into consideration. And when we do it here, so this becomes 8 times a raised to power 6 plus minus 4. Remember, when you want to write two sides together, always put a bracket to differentiate it. Now, times b raised to power minus 9 plus 2. We have taken the b because they are having the same base. Therefore, we add the numbers. So now, this will be 8 times a plus times minus is what? Minus. Therefore, 6 minus 4 is 2 times b raised to power. What's minus 9 plus 2, class? And minus 9 plus 2, I have 2 naira, but I am owing somebody 9 naira. If I should pay that person back the 9 naira, 2 naira, I will still be owing the person what? 7 naira. So this will be b raised to power minus 7. Okay, so solving this further, this will take us to 8a squared b raised to power minus 7. You could leave your answer like this, it is correct, or you could still apply the negative law. The negative law states that um, a raised to power minus n is the same thing as 1 over a raised to power n. So applying it here now, where we have b raised to power minus 7, this will be 8 a raised to power 2 times 1 over b raised to power 7, which is approximately 8 a raised to power 2 b raised to power 7. So this is the solution to the problem. Stay tuned as we solve the second question. Please like, share, and invite students that will find this topic beneficial. Bye for now.